Hey, it's December the 5th today, and I'm back here at Nikola. And I've had a change of heart about a couple things about Nikola. I saw a recent video of Monroe live, and he went through the hydrogen version of that. And me being a DIYer, do-it-yourselfer, and I drove a semi for 12 years. I had my own truck, from 2006 to 2018. Did all my maintenance myself. I learned from a person that kind of told me how to do semis. He had his own company, Mel Funders. But anyway, I learned how to do oil changes, fuel filter changes, tire changes, greasing, all the important things of driving a semi-truck that you need to do to maintain it. But when I saw that hydrogen vehicle that Monroe Live posted, I was flabbergasted. I thought, who on earth? It'd have to be a rocket scientist, if you've ever seen that video, to be able to even begin to do any repairs on that thing. And when you think about driving a semi cross country, the technicians that would require to work on a hydrogen vehicle compared to a battery electric vehicle is insurmountable. As you can see behind me here, I'm driving my ID4, which is a beautiful electric car. I have it here in Arizona while I'm here. But Nikola coming out with that hydrogen, I just can't see it, but I can understand the battery electric, and I'm sure I didn't see the video yet of the posting of the battery, checking out the battery electric vehicle that they have for semis, which I think is a good idea. Keep in mind though that when I was driving the semi, I got between 6 and possibly 7 miles per gallon, depending on the load and wind and all those other things. The semi that Tesla's coming out with, supposedly, now this depends on terrain, but 1 mile per one every kilowatt hour that you produce. That is a lot of energy, a lot of weight. When you think about it, that to get a 500-mile range, you've got to have a 500 kilowatt hour battery pack. That's a huge battery pack. But as we fly over, there has been some changes. I'm very impressed with what I saw from Sandy Monroe about Nikola. Maybe they are coming along. I'm going to catch up with the video that he has on the battery electric one. But I think that could be the future if they get the charging stations up. But Nikola's coming along. Now I am going to make and add this on it, of Lucid Motors. I'll bet you when I go over there, which I'm going over there in a few minutes, it's about 25 miles from here, there isn't going to be one car out there in the parking lot. Where are your cars, man, if you're mass producing, if you're running through a production line right now? But anyway, we're heading over to Lucid Motors. Nikola, looks like there's some hope for Nikola. Congratulations, Nikola Motors.